Hi guys, so today we're going to continue with the second part of the unit 7. So let's check it. As, adjective as. So we use as to say how two things or people are the same. We put as before and after the adjective. For example, you are as tall as my brother. So here we are saying that me and my brother, we are the same size. My brother is tall as you. So in the second example, we are saying that my brother and you have the same height. When we use the structure as, we don't use the comparative form of the adjective. So check that in the examples, I'm not using taller, the comparative adjective that we learned the last week. We have to use only the adjective in the simple form. Not as. We use it to show how two things or people are not the same. For example, my brother isn't as tall as me. That means that I'm taller than my brother, that we are not the same size. English isn't as difficult as German. This one means that German is more difficult than English, that they don't have the same difficulty and we cannot compare it. They are different. So we can change the structure. In affirmative sentence, we can have the noun, verb be, as, plus my adjective without the comparative form, as and negative. Example, I'm as tall as my mom. In the negative, I have negative verb be, not, as, plus the adjective, plus as, plus noun. Mountain K2 isn't as high as Mountain Everest. In question, we have the verb be, the noun, the word as, plus the adjective, plus as, plus noun. For example, is the Gobi Desert as big as the Sahara Desert? Here we have some more examples. Madrid isn't as hot as Mexico City. Remember that if we are using not as, is because they are different. Is Spain as big as LA? And London is warm as Paris. So this one has the same. We can say that they have the same weather. And then we have less than. Less than means that same as no as. What does that mean? That is the opposite of as. We can use less before the adjective. Example, the Gibson Desert in Australia is less famous than the Sahara Desert in Africa. What this one means? That the Gibson Desert in Australia isn't as famous as the Sahara Desert in Africa. So they are not the same quantity of famous. And here we have the structure. We have the noun plus the verb be plus less plus the adjective plus than plus noun. Example, a cell phone is less expensive than an iPad. So if I want to buy a cell phone, it's gonna be cheaper than my iPad. Cats are less intelligent than people. So what does one mean? That people are more intelligent than the cats. And here we have some more examples. History is less interesting than science. A mouse is less heavy than an elephant. A car is less expensive than an airplane. And thank you. Hopefully that this one helped you to answer your activity. Remember that if you want to contact me, you can send me a private message in the platform or you can send me an email. And see you on Saturday. Check your homework and the video. Thank you.